You think you're stuck, but what if I told you you were actually leveling up spiritually without even realizing it? Most people miss the signs, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to recognize when your soul is elevating. So if you feel like your life is falling apart, you feel like things aren't working well in your favor, well, I want you to know you're not alone, and these are some common signs that we're going to get into. Very simple but yet powerful signs. Number one is being alone. One of the first signs is people will pull away from you. You'll get away from people. Old friendships don't fit. You want deeper conversations. Another sign is questioning everything. Questioning everything is a really powerful thing because your beliefs, your habits, your goals, everything you started doing may not align with you anymore. So you tend to start questioning everything. And this is something that will always be happening. Being more sensitive to energy, you'll notice how certain places, people affect your energy. You'll see how things were felt before and things will feel different now. Sometimes you'll feel drawn to purpose. You feel like you're here for more. You could do more. You want purpose. You want growth in life. So you get drawn to purpose over pleasure. Another sign is you're letting go willingly or unwillingly. You're losing jobs, relationships, habits, things that no longer serve you. Whatever is out of alignment will naturally go away. You might get more synchronicities. You might see the same thing, the same color, the same car, numbers, repeating numbers like 111, 222. And these are signs that you are on the right path. Another sign is developing stronger intuition. You trust your gut more. You don't know why, but you just feel like it's right. And trusting is trusting is sometimes not knowing something but still going with it. Let's get into some more signs. This is the eighth sign. So by all means, if this is something that you guys are liking, we do a lot of live streams on this channel. So, hopefully that is, something you like. We are live streaming stuff. Another sign is no longer needing external validation. And this is huge, right? You're being okay with being misunderstood. This is a more higher up sign. Um, Not caring for attention. Another sign is having stronger desire for peace. You want more peace, you want less drama, less arguing, less conflict, less, arguments. You don't want the chaos. You don't want to feed that stuff anymore. You want more peace. You want to talk to people that are more, how I want to say, value. You want to have more valuable conversations. You don't want to be wasting your time with the wrong people. A huge sign is seeing setbacks as lessons, right? Instead of seeing things go wrong and things happening to you, it's more like, no, what is this teaching me? The mindset has changed. Your perspective throughout difficult times have changed. You understand that failure is a part of growth. It's not the end, right? Every time we climb up a mountain, we're taking a step forward, even if it feels like we're taking a step back. You have to realize it's part of the journey. So there's always going to be setbacks. It's not going backwards. Instead, it's teaching you something. Something that you need to know. It's making you stronger. It's preparing you for the step ahead. Because everyone thinks it's one step ahead, but sometimes it could be multiple steps ahead. Or sometimes you have to take steps backwards. And sometimes it's protection. You are comfortable with the uncertainty. You're no longer obsessed with controlling everything. You trust that everything is unfolding as it should. We always want to feel like we're in control, but the truth is, when you're leveling up, when you're ascending, You aren't like trying to control everything. You're just letting things be. You naturally attract like-minded people. So once your vibe starts to go up, once you start to embody your higher self, raise the vibe, right? Raise the frequency. That's when you start to get the new people, the new mentors, the new this, new that. You start to become a match for what you're attracting. Less reactive, more responsive. I think this is huge right here. Not snapping and overreacting, not letting your emotions get the best of you. A very powerful sign. So being less reactive, more responsive. Maybe you felt called to serve or help others. This is a big sign that you're leveling up as well. Feeling a stronger desire to contribute, uplift, be of service. Maybe you want to help other people. This is a sign you're leveling up spiritually. Definitely a big one. You start living in alignment with your values. You don't compromise your beliefs for temporary gain. Big one right there. Another sign is being more grateful. Naturally more grateful, journaling, things you're more thankful for. If this is something that you're doing, then by all means, you are probably someone who's definitely leveling up. Because you realize that gratitude is like the best attitude. You recognize patterns and synchronicities. So if you're someone who's been noticing them, this is a huge sign. You've seen the repeating numbers, the meaningful coincidences, certain animals, spiritual animals, different colored birds, etc., etc. You've seen them, maybe even looking them up, seeing what they are. This is a big sign. Embracing solitude without feeling lonely. Alone time becomes sacred. You realize it's time for you to reconnect with yourself, time to reconnect with Source, God, and time to be present, truly present, you know? You're not as attached to materialistic things, right? You appreciate what you have, but you have no attachments or attachings to possessions. By all means, that was about 20 signs you're leveling up spiritually. You are ascending, your vibe is going up, you are on the right path, you are going through a awakening, you're leveling up. I hope these signs have brought some clarity to you. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm grateful. I'm thankful for you being here. We got a lot more content. We're going in a completely new direction. We do a bunch of live streams, a bunch of YouTube shorts. We're loading up the content and we're going to be uploading more. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe.